Well, hi, we are at the Leslie's Week Stage for Change Conference 2023, and I want to know what your name is, sir.
Hi, my name is Calin Dmitru, and maybe to complete the introduction, I work for Eisai in Oncology Drug Development, and well, I guess that kind of sums it up.
Very good. And where are you from, Calin?
I am from Romania.
Romania. I love that accent. I wanted to ask you today how you have found the conference so far. What is maybe your greatest takeaway from the conference today?
Well, it was fascinating. So I'm a physician by training, also a scientist,
Okay.
but I did not interact with patients for such a long time. And to me, to come back and listen to them, to all the stories that,
Right.
well, during clinical practice is difficult to listen to patients and to their entire lives and so. But nevertheless, I reconnected with them, and that's just a great feeling. Now finally I see again what motivated me years ago to start working in drug development in pharmaceutical industry and primarily in oncology drug development. This was great.
Well, hopefully there was a little fire in that ignited in your passion.
Oh yes, there was, and I'm grateful. I'm so happy that I chose to be here today. So that's wonderful. Thank
Who
you.
do you think would benefit from attending these conferences in the future?
Well, obviously my colleagues,
Yes.
that's for sure, and probably other people in pharma, maybe in healthcare in general, because at some point, we just work with populations, we work with numbers and so on. But just to see the people that are behind those numbers, I think it's more than motivational, it's inspirational. So that's what I would say.
That's wonderful. Thank you. How do you think Leslie's Week, an organization like Leslie's Week, can interact better with the pharmaceutical industry to bring more resources or improve MBC women's lives?
Right. Well, so other than inviting us to conferences such as these to meet the actual patients, well, I would say because I work in clinical trial development, just working with patient advocates, patient advocacy organizations, and such is a great way to increase enrollment in clinical trials. To first of all learn what is needed, and second of all to explain what we're trying to achieve with this or that clinical trial. So it's a great dialogue to have and to continue.
Wonderful. How would you describe this conference to your boss?
Well, first of all, I will thank my boss that she let me come to this conference.
Wonderful.
But I will say exactly what I told you at the beginning, that it was educational, motivational, inspirational, and I'm very grateful.
What would you like to see added maybe to the conference that would add more depth of knowledge or experience in the future?
Well, this is a difficult question, primarily because I learned so much. So then, what else can I ask for when I already received so much? I think I'm not going to even do that. What I will say is that just adding patients, more patients. It's really what this conference should be about, and that is exactly the thing that I appreciate the most. So I want more of it, please.
Very good. Well, thank you so much
Thank you.
for coming today, and we hope to see you next year and for spending this time with me.
Sure. Thank you very much. Thank you
Thank
for
you.
having me.